I'm very honored to be present here this morning to be part of the 79 years birthday of Singatoka Town. This is the second year of the celebration that has been held, and I'm told it is going to be an annual event. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm also here on behalf of the government to pay my tribute to the chiefs and the landowners of Singatoka for providing land for the development of this town. Can we all put our hands together and say Vinaka to the chiefs and the landowners of Singatoka? Singatoka town has come a long way since 1st June 1936 with the hard work of the former employees of the town, the board members as they were called, and later the administration of councils under the leadership of mayors and councillors. I had the privilege of working with former mayors and councillors of Singatoka while I was the mayor of Ba and also the president of the local government association. And many a time we were here in Singatoka discussing the development of municipalities. The town has been growing slowly and the result is in front of you. The town is both rural farming town as well as the tourism town. The major business entities have played a major role in the developing of this town. Recently, there has been some major developments taking place in Singatoka. I'm told that Bargain Box has also got a new building to occupy. Shop and Save will be opening soon with Roop's Big Bear. One of the major supermarkets in the country has also decided to construct its own building. This should be completed within a few months' time. I've been also reliably informed that Ba Book Center is also planning for a major development next to the National Fire Authority. Few weeks I was here and I have asked the CEO and the staffs of Singatoka to provide me the measurement along the river in front of Jack's. Because I've always believed in that land is money. And once we have the development, then the council can generate revenue and lessen the difficulties for the ratepayers. So these are some of the things that we will be doing, and we are planning to reclaim that portion so that we can develop that area as well. The developments are indication of a suitable climate for the people to invest in Fiji, and in particular our town, Singatoka. The town and country planning also comes under my ministry. And every day we receive investment applications. And it is all due to the investor confidence that people have in this country. And I can tell you that definitely we are moving forward. I take this opportunity to thank each one of you who have invested and are thinking in doing so. This is your town, and you need to look after the people who have been loyal to you over the years. Like any other town, Singatoka town has grown from just a few wooden buildings into this magnitude of concrete buildings. Singatoka town has also some unique buildings on the hillside which is admired by many when they arrive Singatoka town. This week is a special week for Singatoka as you have all gathered to celebrate Singatoka town's achievement and its 79 years of inception. I'm proud to be part of the celebration with the staffs of the ministry and various government and other non-government departments, and in particular with the school children. I thank you all for your contribution in making this celebration a successful one. Ladies and gentlemen, students, before I conclude on this occasion, I am pleased to say that the Ministry of Local Government has provided a 3-ton truck to Singatoka Town Council. This truck will be used to collect and dump refuse from within the town. This will assist the council to keep its town clean and tidy at all times. And it is so fitting that while we are celebrating the Environment Week, I am here also to hand over this truck to the people of Singatoka. With these few words, ladies and gentlemen, now I have the greatest pleasure in declaring the 2015 Singatoka Day celebration open. Vinaka and Dhanyavad.